We use state symbols to describe the state, either the phase or form of a compound. And these are important. They can affect the chemical properties, and they can affect how something is named. So you need to know what these all mean. AQ is aqueous. And that means dissolved in water. G, of course, means gas. S is solid. This is an important one that, of course, S means solid, but we're going to be talking about if something is soluble or not, and don't confuse that with the S. And then L is liquid. And what I was saying about the name being different, these top two, of course, are acids. And technically, an acid is only named as an acid when it's dissolved in water, as this top one is. So this top one we would call hydrochloric acid. But when it's not dissolved in water, as this one is, it's in the gas phase, you're going to name it according to our other rules. It is a compound made of non-metals, and so you just say hydrogen chloride. Another form of a compound that we run into with ionic compounds or salts is that you can have a hydrate. A hydrate is where you have water molecules that are have a regular pattern as part of the crystal, and so the ratio is set on these. And knowing what they are, how many water molecules, can affect calculations when we get to that. So let's look at a few of these. How you name them is that you name the front part just like usual. And copper, we know, can either be +1 or +2. And sulfate has a -2 charge, so this must be copper 2. And then for the, let's do the sulfate. And then for the water, you use a prefix that says how many. And then for water, you put hydrate. This one is magnesium. Sulfate again. And this time we have 2, so it would be dihydrate. You're going to run into this in one of our experiments in lab.